Hey guys, Garrett back with another review for you. This is the InPower Allen Wrench Set. Guys, this set has 30 pieces in it. If you need an Allen wrench set, this is, look at this. This is all you need right here. If you can't find the Allen wrench to fit your screw or whatever you have, I don't know what else to tell you. But this is absolutely, I call it a super Allen wrench set. Guys, if you need this type of set, this is the one. You won't need to buy another one. In my opinion, this is the best Allen key set that I have ever used. And I tell you what, guys, like I said, you got every size in here. Guys, go ahead and get you one of these today. This is the InPower Allen Wrench Set. You guys make it a great day.